I'm making scrumptious egusi-soup. That's melon soup. These are my ingredients: pepper, periwinkle, seasoning, stockfish, crayfish, chicken, ice fish, onions, egusi mixed with Cameroon pepper and grounded crayfish, stock, red oil, and pumpkin leaf. These are my ingredients. So I had my egusi, then I allowed her to fry on low heat. Then I stir gently. I allowed her to fry for 8 minutes on low heat. Then I had crayfish. Then I had pepper. I had seasoning. I had bonga fish. I've deboned it. I had stock. I had salt. I had stockfish. I had chicken. I had pumpkin leaf. See face of the soup now, not your regular. Then I had a periwinkle. This looks so yum, so yummy. Then I mix it together. I allowed that to cook. Then I had kote fish. My soup is ready. Please like. See you in my next video. Bye.